Welcome. Today, we're going to guide you on how to easily view the posts you've commented on Facebook. It's essential to keep track of your interactions and engagements to stay connected with your social circle. Let's get started. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile where you can access various settings and features. Next, locate the three dots under your name and tap on them. This will open a menu with additional options. Select Activity Log from the menu to access a log of your recent activities on Facebook. Once you're in the Activity Log, you'll see a list of your interactions. To specifically view the posts you've commented on, swipe left on a public post in the Activity Log. Then, tap on Your Comments to filter and view the posts where you've left comments. By accessing the Your Comments section, you can easily revisit the posts you've engaged with through comments. This feature allows you to track your interactions and conversations on Facebook, helping you stay engaged with your network. Utilize the Activity Log and Your Comments feature on Facebook to effectively manage and monitor your commenting activity. By staying informed about your interactions, you can maintain meaningful connections and conversations on the platform. By following these steps, you can efficiently view the posts you've commented on Facebook. Stay tuned for more helpful tips to enhance your social media experience. Thank you for watching.